Yo, first class? Forget it. These jets are like flying mansions. Let's check the top 5. Number 5, Gulfstream G700. Sleek, smooth, and $75 million. Number 4, Bombardier Global 7500. A sky penthouse for $78 million. Number 3, Boeing 757, Trump's private jet. Customized beast worth $100 million. Number 2, Airbus A340, owned by billionaire Alisher Usmanov. Price tag? $238 million. And number 1, Airbus A380, Saudi Prince's Palace in the sky. $500 million. So tell me, if money wasn't a thing, which jet you flying in first? Drop it in the comments, only top 5. Always.